Hello and welcome to MTD CNC. Today we are here at FMTOS, which is a co-working and display center for machine tool industry. It's a very novel concept. First time somebody is doing in India, and I'm here to meet my friend Vishal, who is the founder of the company. So let's come and see inside. Hi sir, how are you?
Hey, hi.
How are you doing?
All good, all good.
Good, good. Finally, we have come to FMTOS.
Yes.
And I'm really impressed. You have made it such a big way.
Yeah.
It's a very novel concept, and we were telling our viewers that first time somebody has thought about this idea that you can, not only it's a co-working space, but you can also display the products and your technology here.
Yes. So FMTOS, that's the name of the co-working space. FMTOS stands for Foreign Machineries and Technology Office Space.
Okay.
So the word is catchy. It's for foreign machines and technology. So this is what we have built. We want to make an ecosystem for foreign companies as a demo center, one place where they can showcase their products. Co-working space, you can find n number of them.
Absolutely.
But not in an industrial area, not in an ecosystem driven environment. So this is what we give.
This is a very nice concept, because generally what happens in industrial areas, it's a remote location and there is no space where the sales engineers can go, because many engineers are working remotely. They don't have office spaces. So it's a very good concept, because it's the center of the industrial area. So people can come, their customers can come here, they can see and you are, I think, doing some seminars and,
So usually weekends there is a community event. Engineers, die and mold makers, designers come here, relax in MechCafe.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is this?
So you know MechCafe, right?
Yes.
So this is a MechCafe, but with the edge of mechanical MechCafe.
For mechanical engineers.
Yes. So we invite all engineers, whoever is roaming around Bosri, Chakan area, drop down, have a free coffee, sit here, have free Wi-Fi, do your work, be in an engineering environment and push off to home before doing your final submission or reporting for the day.
Fantastic.
So, yeah, that's
Can
what
we have a quick round here? What is happening here?
Yeah, go ahead.
Come. So this is a display center?
Yeah, so this is a space taken by Speroni of Italy. So they've taken a customized space. We give three options to the customers who wants to display their product. One is a customized space. One is a table that we have made by 3 by 3 feet, and one a display LCD LED TV with a small space to keep their product. So these are the three options we give to the customers. They can put their products, their offerings or their services here, and they can have a benefit of a ecosystem based demo center.
Fantastic. I think it's a very good concept, and many people would love to work here and use this space.
Yes. So I invite all foreign companies who are looking for a space which will help them showcase their products at an economical rate and in a co-working space. You're welcome. Visit us. Rajeshri will be happy to show you around and be a part of this family.
Fantastic. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Right.
I'm also going to MechCafe to
Please,
have some coffee.
Please,
Thanks
enjoy.
a lot.
Yeah, thanks.